In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of WhatsApp Web. If you're using WhatsApp Web on a shared computer, a work device, or even a friend's laptop, it's always a good idea to log out when you're done. This helps protect your privacy and keeps other people from accessing your chats after you leave the browser open. The good news is that signing out of WhatsApp Web is very quick and only takes a moment. To begin, make sure you are already on the WhatsApp Web screen where your chats are visible. Once you're there, look toward the lower left area of the screen. You'll see your profile icon in that section. This icon gives you access to your account-related options, including the one you need to sign out. Go ahead and click on the profile icon in the lower left corner. When you do this, a menu or settings area will open, depending on the version of WhatsApp Web you're using. Take a quick look through the available options until you find the one labeled Log Out. It's usually easy to spot, and it's designed specifically to end your current session on that browser. Now click on Log Out. As soon as you do, WhatsApp Web will sign you out of your account on that device. After that, your chats will no longer be accessible unless someone scans the QR code again using the linked phone. That's how you know the session has been ended successfully. If you're logging out for security reasons, it can also be helpful to double check that the screen returns to the WhatsApp Web login page or QR code screen. That confirms you are no longer signed in. This is especially useful if you are using a public or shared computer, and that's all there is to it. To sign out of WhatsApp Web, simply click the profile icon in the lower left corner, then click Log Out. It's a simple step, but an important one for keeping your account secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly sign out of WhatsApp Web with confidence.